Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix not being able to repost a video on TikTok. If you're having trouble not being able to repost your video on TikTok, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. It's starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Then wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Then try logging in into TikTok again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there is an update available for TikTok on your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. Go to search and then search for TikTok. Then see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures that you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and open your settings, then search app, then click on the option of apps, then scroll a bit down and you'll see the option of TikTok until you see the option of TikTok. Then scroll a bit down and you see the option of storage, and on the bottom right of your phone you'll see the option of clear cache. So hit the option of clear cache and it will clear out all the old data that might be causing issues. If you are on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of that helps, go ahead and delete the app TikTok from your Play Store. Then try reinstalling it again with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems, and there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your TikTok account, and if it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.